Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sameer Azad Mahendra, the head of the Department of Dental, Maxillofacial and Implantology at Sunshine Hospitals Gachibowli. We are here to give you the best level of dental treatment at a very affordable cost. We have about 28 years of experience in this field. We come with some of the best specialists in the city who will give you the most widest treatment choices and a level of technology which you have never seen before. We are available 6 days a week from Monday to Saturday between 9:30 to 7 in the evening. So we do a lot of reconstructive work where we can change your smile, we can change your jawline, we can give you an ability to eat without dentures, and we can do wonders for your face. Our level of expertise in maxillofacial and implantology is one of the best in the city. So if you come to us, you will be having a sunshine smile always. Thank you.
Sunshine, it's my sunshine.